this thing, that is the magnetic levitation. Okay, manual is there. First, let us look into this manual. Okay, here magnetic levitation, manual. Okay, so this is about the magnetic levitation. See, I told you about the magnetic levitation setup. Magnetic levitation setup, I told you, it works on the magnetic forces. Okay, so this is that setup, magnetic levitation setup. Okay, so here whatever you are having now, this is called as a magnetic disc is there. Okay, this disc will it will move within this range. Okay, within this range. Okay, within this Pyrex rod, glass rod is there. Now that is, it will go up and down. Okay, so we have to control the position of this magnetic disc. Okay, and it is done through magnetic levitation concept, that is the magnetic forces. Okay, here we have two actuators. One is upper actuator is there and the bottom actuator is there. So we have two actuators. Okay, two coils are there, and this is a magnet of mass m. Since it is moving within this Pyrex glass rod, there is also a damping force. Okay, there is a damping, viscous damping is there. Okay, friction. Okay, so these are all with all these parameters we are going to conduct the experiment. So this is a setup for your understanding purpose. Okay, see, like this it will change its level. Okay, this magnetic disc will go into different locations. Okay, different levels. It will go to different heights. Okay, it will go to different heights within that range only. Okay, just like your elevator. Okay, elevator is there now, the lift is there now, like that. Okay, so this is about the experiment introduction. Okay, now we will go back to the experiment. See here, magnetic levitation extension is there, folder. So you go to that magnetic levitation extension folder, you go to that folder. Okay, once you go to the folder, see here you have this list of experiments will occur, that is the folder containing the experiments will appear. Okay, so here it is not in order actually, it is not in order, but the entire whatever the experiments are there now, it should be in order. Okay, there is some connection between first experiment, second experiment, third experiment, like that it will be there, and some meaning will be there. Okay, in between we can't go and conduct some experiment. Okay, so we have to go in order. Okay, so what is the order actually? So first is what? It is plant modeling. Okay, first is plant modeling. So here plant modeling, this is not an experiment actually. Plant modeling is something that is a magnetic levitation is there now. Getting the transfer function of that. Okay, transfer function of that is what plant modeling is mean. The meaning of that plant modeling. See here in the manual it is given. Okay, it is not an experiment. So in the manual it is there. You can go through that. The plant modeling is there. List of experiments. First experiment is plant modeling. See here plant modeling.